where the profit of transactions is more than 80%. Before starting a trade session, I will tell you about the indicators that I use. These are the alligator and parabolic, which indicate the movement and direction of our trend, as well as the auxiliary CCI indicator showing the overbought or underbought state of the price. And let's start trading with a currency pair that will give a large payout percentage. So let's open our deal here for decline. Now we see that our price has reached an overbought state from an underbought one, which tell us that we have formed support and resistance lines from where the price pushes off from. So now we will close successfully from the candlestick our deal. Let's wait for our deal to close. So fine, we close our trade. So we continue deal. Open a new currency pair. Here we can open our trade to increase the price. As we now see from the previous currency pairs that we had a candlestick with a shadow, which we have means an impulse to increase the price. So let's wait for our trade to close. So we close our trade and move on to close our trade successfully. So let's open our trade on a lower price. Now we see a rapidly downtrend in our country and a price correction is taking place. We can now only wait for the closing of our deal, and the fact that our price will reach our support line and will be able to push off, after which it's most likely to go up. So let's wait for the completion of our deal. So we have successfully closed our trade. We open a new currency pair. So we will open our deal on a price decrease, as we now see that we are most likely to form support and resistance lines after this price decrease. So now, based only on the candles patterns, we can open our deal successfully, and based on these analysis, we can conclude that our price will drop now and the candlestick will be red. And as we see that we have formed a candlestick pattern, so now we expect that we will have a red candle, after which support and resistance lines will be formed. So we are great people now of our trade. And moving on, here let's open our down trade. Also based on candlestick patterns, as our price will gradually increase now, we don't expect a sharp jump now, but we are waiting for the fact that we will gradually form support and resistance lines from which the price will already start. So we are now expecting the successful closure of our deal on this time frame. So we successfully close our trade again, and let's move on. Here let's also open a double trade on a declining price along the downtrend. We will also expect a continuation of the downtrend in which we will have time to close our trade successfully, of course. So let's wait for our trade to close. So we close successfully our trades and move on. Let's open our double trade for a decrease in the price here, because now we can see a sequence of candlestick patterns and expect that we will have a further fall in the price, and also from the previous candlestick patterns a red candle. So how the trend as we see it continues its downward movement. So let's wait until our deal is closed. So we successfully closed our trade. Let's open our triple trade here. As we will see also expect a decline in the price. We see that we have a downtrend, also based on this green candlestick that preceded us. We can conclude that we are also now will close on a candlestick the support and supporting outgoing line, resistance line in plus. So let's wait for our trade to close now. The moving average, which has, as we see it, a sideways movement. Great, we close our trade perfectly. Let's choose a currency pair on which we can find movement. Here we can open our trade for the entire amount on the impulse. So now we can expect a price increase. This is very obvious since the given rates of candlestick patterns are predictable, and I understand that now there will be an obvious trend reversal and we can expect a green candlestick. On which we will successfully close all our deals. You should not be afraid of this if you are sure. So now we are waiting for the successful closing of our deal. And we have successfully closed all our trades, and I think we can close our trade session. It was an amazing trade session, guys, so I recommend you my own strategy. You can find it in my Telegram in the description. So a nice bonuses will be waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Bye!